Pains felt in muscles and joints can be annoying, discomforting, and debilitating. By instinct, we want to immediately relieve the pain the moment we first feel it, looking for a quick remedy that will go to work fast. Some forms of pain require more intense remedies, but there are some home remedies that you can use to help with muscle and joint pains fast. Here are a few home remedy ideas you can try the next time you experience pains in your muscles or joints. In this video, we shall be discussing some home remedy ideas you can fall back on whenever you experience pain in your muscles or joints. Epsom salt. Epsom salt is a magnesium sulfate compound, unlike sodium table salt. Epsom salt has been used for hundreds of years as a healing agent and pain reliever. Today, it's most often added to hot baths and foot soaks to reduce stress. Soaking in a tub of warm water with a couple of scoops of Epsom salt has been a proven method for addressing aching muscles over the years. Epsom salt is made up of magnesium sulfate, which is a natural muscle relaxant. It also helps to reduce swelling by removing excess fluids out of your muscle and joint tissues. Try soaking yourself for at least 15 minutes at a time will do the magic. This should be done 3 times a week for effective result. Apple cider vinegar. Do you know that many have found that either drinking apple cider vinegar or rubbing it directly on the area of the sore muscles or joints can help to relieve pains? Cider vinegar is made from fermented apple juice. Those who drink it typically mix it with water and honey to help with the sour taste, while others simply take a tablespoonful. Ginger. Drinking ginger tea is another way to relieve muscular pains. The anti-inflammatory properties present in ginger make it an excellent remedy for both muscle and joint pain. In fact, research has shown encouraging results for those with osteoarthritis who drink ginger tea. How to prepare. Peel the ginger root and slice it into thin slices. Bring the water to a boil in a saucepan. Once it is boiling, add the ginger. Cover the pan and turn off the heat. Allow it to steep for 10 minutes. Remove the ginger slices and pour it into your favorite mug. Add honey to taste. Heat and cold. Isn't it strange to know that using hot and cold compresses helps to ease joint pain? Yes, I know it is. Heat, as it is known, helps to increase blood flow, which relaxes sore muscles and joints and decreases pain. Cold treatment can reduce inflammation and can also make numb the area around the aching muscle or joint. Most people will alternate between heat and cold for the best results. Turmeric. Turmeric is native to Southeast Asia and is a member of the Zingiberaceae or ginger family. It has been used as an herbal remedy for thousands of years in Indian Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. Turmeric, containing an active ingredient called curcumin that is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric is an excellent remedy for joint and muscle pains. Studies have shown that using turmeric is as effective as using ibuprofen for pain relief for those with osteoarthritis. Preparation of turmeric tea. Boil 4 cups of water. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground, grated, or powdered turmeric. Allow the mixture to simmer for approximately 10 minutes. Strain the tea into a container and allow it to cool for 5 minutes. Garlic. Garlic is a species in the onion genus, Allium. Its close relatives include the onion, shallot, leek, chive, and Chinese onion. It is native to Central Asia and northeastern Iran and has long been a common seasoning worldwide, with a history of several thousand years of human consumption and use. Garlic is rich in both sulfur and selenium, both of which can help to relieve joint and muscle pain. The sulfur in garlic helps to relieve inflammation, while selenium has an anti-rheumatic effect. This can be helpful for those with arthritis who tend to have low levels of selenium in their blood. However, if you are experiencing pain on a regular basis, you may need more advanced treatment. Chronic joint pain could be a symptom of osteoarthritis and should be addressed sooner than later. Do consult your doctor or qualified healthcare practitioner to avoid being chronic. Do take care of yourself. Health, they say, is wealth. If you like this video, Please, like and share with your friends, and also leave a comment below that you have subscribed to this channel. Thanks for watching.